Okay, I am in Nature Trail looking at 5601 Silverbell Court. This is a brand new home. The owners are going to rent it until they actually move in here a few years from now. Anyway, as you come in, you can see it's a nice home. Nature Trail homes are typically anywhere from $270-some thousand all the way up to over $600,000, and some custom homes even more than that. You can see there are 2 bedrooms off to the right. Very high ceiling fan, bathroom in the middle, tile floor, granite tile sink. And then you have a second bedroom over here. This is a 3-bedroom house. We'll walk out of I'm still in the foyer right there. So over here you have another little nook with a light going straight back. That would be the garage. Utility room's very good size. Okay, front door, to the left, straight. You have a dining room. Nice rope lights up around the ledge there. Through the archway into the kitchen. Again, you have tile and granite countertops. Upgraded Kenmore Elite appliances. Refrigerator. Cabinets have been upgraded with a soft close. This is a gas oven. Very big family room, huge window overlooking the backyard. Has a nice covered porch in the back. You can see going back, it's open to the kitchen. There's front door out there. Nice sized pantry. Very good size master bedroom. Again, you have ceiling fans, rope light around the borders at the ceiling above the crown molding. Have several walk-in closets. Very good size. Nice bathroom. Again, granite countertops. Tile shower. And a second walk-in closet. So that's the house. Very nice home. Anybody that rents this will be very happy. Nature Trail has other amenities such as tennis courts, pools, clubhouse, walking trails, lots of good things for this living in Nature Trail. All right, and it's very close to the Interstate 10, so it's 5 minutes away, and you can pretty much get to downtown Pensacola in about 20 minutes. Anyway, give me a call if you would like to know more, 850-748-0575. Thank you for checking this out.